Rajnikant. Any Talaivar fans in the house? Come on, big round of applause. Anybody can.
இதுக்கு ஆக்சுவலா எதுவுமே சொல்லக்கூடாதுங்க, அவங்களுக்கே தெரியும். இது எப்படிங்க சொல்றது?
His nickname is Superstar. He's like the numero uno here in Tamil Nadu. Why don't you teach him a Rajni dialogue?
ஏன் வழி? Come on bro.
Go for it. Yeah.
ஏன் வழி?
ஏன் வழி?
தனி வழி.
தனி வழி.
Perfect. Amitabh Bachchan. Which city do you think he'll be a perfect fit for if he had to play for a cricket team?
Lucknow.
City of Nawabs, that's it?
Because I think he's from UP, no? So, yeah.
Lucknow. Okay. Next. Ronaldo.
RCB.
Tell me why you said RCB.
Obviously. There's no rocket science. Like, obviously, Virat follows him and he's also very enthusiastic. You know, his energy is also very high whenever he is on the field. So I think, yeah.
Bengaluru.
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Akshay Kumar. Khiladi number 1. He's a big Bollywood actor.
No, I know who he is.
Okay,
I know who he
great.
is.
Delhi.
Delhi? Or you have another thought?
Yeah, Delhi.
Delhi? Okay. Next. David Beckham.
You must know.
Yeah, your countryman.
Mumbai Indians, I think.
And why?
It's all the tattoos and all that kind of stuff. Jadu's hiding his stuff.
No, this is just a fraction of the amount of tattoos you'll see in the Mumbai Indians dressing room for sure. Yeah.
But no, he's a superstar.
Yeah,
All the names, they got all the names.
it's fab. Next. CSK, obviously, right? And why? Why?
Machat, you answer.
Because I think he's also very calm, chilled out. So I think he fits in perfectly.
He fits in perfectly, right?
He's won a lot of trophies as well, so match
Yeah.
Chennai.
Yeah.
That's the main thing.
No, that's the number 1 criteria.
Jadu,
Yeah.
do you prefer Ronaldo or Messi?
Messi. Yeah.
What about you?
I think I'm a Messi fan as well.
Yeah, Vijay?
Messi.
Me too. All right. Okay, next one. Tom Cruise, the Mission Impossible Man. What series? You've got...
Kolkata, maybe.
And your reasons for that? Why do you think he'll be a knight?
It's like flamboyant, like Russell, Shah Rukh Khan, all those guys.
Yeah, he can match them step to step, right? He can stand shoulder to shoulder. It's a good one. Next. Ooh. Jadu, you got to take this. Nana Patekar is like this really... He plays a lot of anti-hero roles. He's a proper villain. He's a character.
I think Lucknow, yeah. Again. Because he knows all the shairi and all those dialogues. So I think Lucknow would be good for him.
Amitabh Bachchan as the captain and Nana Patekar as the vice captain. I can only imagine
Yeah.
how the Lucknow team will be. My God. Next.
Ooh.
Okay, I'm going to say 3, 2, 1 and then you tell me which teams, okay? We'll see what answers you come up with. So which city should he play cricket for? 3, 2, 1.
Kolkata.
Yeah, Kolkata.
We were supposed to say it together.
Because I don't think he fits in any other team. So maybe Russell Muscle.
Yeah, he can give Dre Russ a run for his
He's
money.
like, not much technique, but lots of power. So
Yeah.
maybe
Russell
like
Muscle.
Russell.
I'm not saying anything. I'll get into trouble. Okay, oh yeah. Who could be better? This,
Obviously, this is Chennai.
No debate.
Yeah.
Chennai.
we've got one Dalapati here, so which team should this Dalapati pay for?
Chennai.
He is the original. I am the first copy.
So we want 2 Dalapatis in CSK, in Chennai, yeah? All right, thank you.
எங்க தல தோனிக்கு பெரிய விசில் அடிங்க